What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing as well as showing you guys all the specific parts that I have for the steering wheel setup that will be going in my 2012 Honda Civic Si sedan. Now, all these parts will be linked in the description below, but if you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them down in the comments below or message me at FB6No on Instagram and I will help you guys the best I can. Alright, so these are all the parts that I have. I've been collecting these parts for quite a while now, but I think it's finally time to get them unboxed and start piecing them together so they can go into the car. So let's just go ahead and just jump right into it and I'll show you guys what I have for my steering wheel setup that will be going in my 2012 Honda Civic Si. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the parts that I did get used. These are the parts that are not in the box. Alright, so first up we have the Steering Solutions adapter plate. This plate will allow you to retain your iMed controls as well as your cruise control buttons on either side, and this is a 9th gen specific plate. Hopefully it's in focus. Next up is the NRG Short Hub for the 9th gen Civics. Nothing special here. It did come with the wire there. Again, this is the NRG Short Hub for the 9th gen Civics. This I just got on the side. This has nothing to do with the steering wheel setup, but I did pick this up. This is an OEM red hazard button. It does look nice, and I do prefer this look over the regular black one that can be found in the 9th gen Civics. Alright, so next up is the Quick Release from NRG. I bought this a long time ago, never unboxed it, so this is the older Quick Release system for NRG. I believe this is the Quick Release Generation 1.5. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Got some paperwork. Got a nice NRG Innovation decal. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright. So, here it is, guys. This is the Quick Release Hub, made by NRG. Got some nice engravings up front. Got NRG Innovations as well as forged on this upper plate right here. Got the Quick Release button there. This is the back side of the hub, and the front we got the horn buttons there that gets connected and get grounded in the center there as well. So I believe the colorway for this is silver and titanium, but I'll have to double check on that. But either way, I'll leave a link in the description for this specific Quick Release if you guys are interested. It's a very, very nice piece for NRG. And then we do have a metal ring. I think this is kind of like a spacer. I could be wrong, but I'm not sure what this is. But we do have some adapter plates and some hardware in there as well. Alright, put this back in here. Alright, so on to the last and final piece for the setup. I'm pretty sure this is the part that everyone's been waiting for. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Are you guys ready? Voila! Wow. Alright guys, what I have here is the Mugen Gen 3 350mm steering wheel finished off in suede. I did get this used, but it is pretty much in brand new condition. Seeing this in person, I was pretty amazed by how nice the quality is and how well this is put together. So there it is. Got the Mugen power engraving there. Here's the serial number on the back. This was a 2020 production model, but yeah, look how immaculate this steering wheel is, especially in suede. But yeah, I was very fortunate to have found a very good deal on this guy right here. Yeah, very, very nice wheel. But anyways, here it is, guys, the Mugen Gen 3 350mm steering wheel. Also did come with a genuine Mugen horror button, as well as the ring and the airbag resistors that came with it too. So these all came with the Mugen steering wheel that I bought. Alright guys, so here it is. These are all the parts for the new steering wheel setup that will be going in my 2012 Honda Civic Si. I do plan to upgrade this to the Worksbell tilt hub, but for now I'm just gonna run this and see how this one performs. If I don't have any issues, I'm probably just gonna run it for the time being, but if I do run into any issues, then I will look into considering on that upgrade. So I do hope to get this installed on the Civic pretty soon, but the next few weeks I will be pretty busy, so I'll try to see if I can find some time to get this installed. So stay tuned for that video. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in all the way to the end. I do appreciate it. And if you guys enjoyed the video and if you guys like the parts that I purchased for the Civic, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you guys think. But until then guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and remember to always stay lurking. Peace.